Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel, and today it's the Christmas edition of the Crazy Baker channel in the kitchen. And today what we're going to be doing is a really straightforward, easy Christmas recipe. It's a no-bake mini plum pudding, and the recipe is sat in front of you because that is all you need. It's this simple. And we'll start off with the ingredients. You want 60 grams of chopped up sultanas, 60 grams of chopped up dates, a tablespoon of cranberry, a tablespoon of mixed peel, 60 grams of ground almonds, 2 tablespoonfuls of icing sugar, 60 grams of grated dark chocolate, a tablespoon of brandy, and 40 grams of melted chocolate. Right, so easy to do this recipe. Well, you can do it all in a straightforward bowl if you want to, or you can just do it in a blender. Well, today I'm just going to whack it all into a blender because I don't use a blender very often, so I thought we'll go straight for that one. So all we're going to do is put all our ingredients straight into the blender. This is so simple. Not forgetting your brandy. We could really go a little bit more than this, couldn't we? Shall we or shall we? Yeah, I think I'm going to. 1. It's Christmas, isn't it? And the last thing we put in is our melted chocolate. Put it all together. Hopefully I'm on. Doesn't it do that for you guys as well? I'm going to run with it because it does this all the time. I don't usually use these domestic ones. Right, I've completely given up on this one. This is the Christmas edition and this is really going down well. We're back to square one. We'll put everything in a blender. And this one is going in the dustbin. So we'll take everything out of this blender and we'll put it into this blender. And I could have done this by hand without any of this. So we'll put everything into this blender. We'll put everything into the blender. And all we need to do is this going to go. Yes! And that's it. It's done. It's that simple. And now all we need to do is make some nice little balls. Now this is a little bit tacky at the moment, but don't worry about that. We can always get a bit of icing sugar if need be. But you do want this to be really, really small. So you want to be about that size. Don't want to be any bigger than that. It's about the right size. So all we need to do is mould these round, like that. So you can make these as big as you want to. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So we'll let them dry out a little bit and we'll come back and we're going to be doing the topping. This is very simple and easy, and hopefully it'll be more easier than making it. All that hard work to make 8 little balls. They've just dried out now a little bit, but you don't have to wait. I've rolled them up and obviously I've put them into cases now. So I've got these nice foil cases off of Amazon. You can get them off eBay or wherever. And then with this, all I'm going to do, a bit of melted white chocolate over the top. Just a little bit, doesn't need to be a lot. Just touch it on the top, that's it, like that. You can do whatever type of chocolate you want on top, really. I've just chosen white because I like white. And then just pop a decoration on the top. You can put whatever you want on the top. I've got little bits of holly, so I'll just chuck them on the top. Well, there you go, folks. It's as simple as that. And if you want more recipes like this, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to check out the description for your recipe. But I dare to say you probably don't really need it. Throw it into a bowl, mix it round and roll it up. It's that easy. It's been an eventful year all the way round. So we're finishing on a bit of a high. New kitchen's coming along very, very nicely. Do check out my other channel and you can see what's going on. Hopefully next year we'll be popping in next door to do a few videos as well as here, and obviously back down the bakery. A number of you guys been saying, Steve, we want some more videos from the bakery. Yes, fine, we'll get there. I've got a lot of work to do down in the bakery yet, maintenance work, and there's always sheds of that to do. And there we go, folks. And from me and Mrs. Crazy Baker, it's a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you again next year on the Crazy Baker channel, in the Crazy Baker kitchen, or it could be the bakery or wherever I am. Laters!
We wish